வண்டி இல்லாமல் வேலை இல்லையா? கவலையே படாதீங்க. உங்கள் அருகில் சூளையில் ஜிவி மோட்டார்ஸ் மல்டி பிராண்ட் ஷோரூம் அண்ட் ஃபினான்ஷியல் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸ்.
Whether Thirubuvanam Ramalingam in Tamil Nadu or yesterday the sadhus killed in Palghar, Kalpavriksha Giriji Maharaj, Sushil Giriji Maharaj and their driver, all three were killed, brutally being beaten by the terrorist gang. But I am telling you, oh Hindus, we need to wake up to this. We need to bring attention of the whole world. All the human rights organizations all over the world should know what is being done to Hindu sadhus and Hindu leaders and Hindu thinkers. Outside India, constantly Hindus are projected as aggressors and terrorists by Indian media. Understand this dangerous ecosystem built in India by mass media cult and the entertainment industry. The funding, training and the whole ecosystem of mass media cult and entertainment industry, television, TV serials and cinema. The whole ecosystem is absolutely anti-Hindu. Look at any movie, villain, the negative characters will have Hindu symbols brightly established, presented on their bodies. But never heroes. Heroes will not have any symbol of Hinduism. You see the percentage, less than 1% only heroes will be wearing Hindu symbols. 99% only villains will be having Hindu symbols. Constantly brainwashing the society. Hindu sadhus are criminals and worst. Grand narrative is built against Hindu sadhus and Hindu thinkers, Hindu leaders. If we did not get the video of Thirubuvanam Ramalingam, getting threatened and people forcing him to convert, move away from Hinduism. If we did not get that video within few hours of his murder, Tamil Nadu media houses would have produced, marked and produced some videos, either Thirubuvanam Ramalingam having some illegal affairs or real estate problems or money issue, something they would have produced and changed the whole murder into some fight between two people and he got murdered. Maybe money issue, a real estate land issue or illegal affair issue. I am telling you, myself personally and my sannyasis, Nityananda order, sannyasis, brahmacharis, devotees, we have faced this mob lynching for last 20 years, and I know how painful it is and terrorizing. I am telling you, the ecosystem in India is such. Whether Tribhuvanam Ramalingam murder or this yesterday two sadhus and one of his their assistants, driver, all three getting mob lynched, killed brutally. None of these murders neither the world will remember nor there will be any justice. Nobody will be convicted. That is the way things happen, I tell you. Or two minimum. I am collecting the statistics, data, analyzing. Literally 99.9% will go scot-free. The whole ecosystem is such. I tell you, unless we Hindus wake up to this truth and get the international attention, politicians will have their own priorities. Even politicians are not going to attend to you. Politicians will have their priorities. Hindus, wake up. Politicians are not going to attend to you unless you get the international attention to this continuous Hindu holocaust. I tell you, because I myself have gone through this multiple times. See, now these people who are arrested for this Hindu sadhus mob lynching, they will come out in bail in next few days. Actually, if we did not get this video, nobody would have been arrested. They would have made another video, morphed video of those sadhus either having illegal affair or raping somebody or some other illegal immoral activity, and they would have the sadhus would have been painted by the media as illegal, immoral, antisocial element, and the whole story would have ended there. Now, even with this video, I am telling you how things will go. I have seen from first-hand experience. I am telling you how things will go. The people who killed him, and I have a serious doubt, the exact conspirators would not have even been arrested. Even if they are arrested, they will get bail and come out, and